put your papers on the side. And the paper is so thin, I don't want you to rip it, so I don't want you to crinkle it like this. So just put it to the side. Okay, so Miss Courtney's here today because guess what? Yesterday when you were in recess, I came inside your room and I took out your writing folders and I started to read Brandon's, Betsy's, I read Aiden's and Miss Isabel.
Everybody?
I read everybody's. Bianca, I read everyone. Jocelyn's too, and Zoe. And then guess what? I was thinking, whoa, everyone has such great stories so far. And then when I started reading the story, I was like, oh, okay, one day I was, was that was? I was thinking, wait, you guys are first graders. I see some high frequency words that from kindergarten that they weren't spelled right. Does this look familiar from kindergarten?
Oh, yeah!
Your rainbow words.
I know my rainbow words.
These words, oh, you know them in a snap, right?
Yeah.
You could read them, but guess what? We have to know how to write them, how to spell them too, because if not in our story, our reader's gonna be like me. One day I was, what was the word? I couldn't read it. So I was thinking today that I wanted to teach you that when we go back to read our story, we're gonna think which words are our rainbow words from kindergarten. You're gonna be a good I Spyer. And you're gonna think, if it's here and it looks wrong in here, I'm gonna circle it and I'm gonna spell it correctly with my rainbow words. So other people can read it. Sounds like a plan?
Yeah.
So watch me. I'm gonna read my story again. On a hot sunny day, I went to the park with my sister Crystal. I was, oh, look it. Does something look weird?
Yeah. There's a Z at the end.
Is there supposed to be a Z?
No.
I was?
That's how you spell it.
Oh, look at all my rainbow words. I found it here.
I was.
W, how do you spell it, boys and girls?
Yes.
But sometimes we write so fast, we put W-Z. So, Miss Courtney's just gonna circle it here, and I'm just gonna write W-A-S. Phew! Thanks, see now we could read it. Everyone help me read. I was so happy. Okay, wait, I'm gonna try again on the next page. I have a sister, yeah, these are my stories, like your stories. I saw the super slide, but was feeling nervous to try it, remember?
Oh, yeah.
Right, my story, remember my story when I came? Wait, look at this word that I spelled here. Dead? Dead? Oh, I meant to say then. Can everyone say then? Oh, my goodness. Let's see. Do I have it on my rainbow word here? Oh, I don't, but look, I have the word the. And I know the, if I put an N, it makes so look. I'm going to circle it, and I'm going to spell, can you help me spell? T-H-E-N. Then. Oh, thank you, writers and readers, for helping me. So watch. Then I walked next to, what does that say? You can't even read it either. No, then I walked next to the slide. Oh, the. How do you spell the? Oh, I don't even need this, right? Here I go. T-H-E. Ta-da! Right? Then I walked next to the slide.
Then you got scared.
Right, I did. Writers, did you see what I was doing?
Yeah.
I read my story and I was thinking, wait, this is a kindergarten rainbow word. If it's wrong, I'm just going to circle it and then correct it at the top so other people could read it. Do you think you can try that today? Well, let me see. I had you bring your writing. Can you start to read your writing and see. Are there some words that look like they're rainbow words? Read it to yourself. If you found a word that spells funny, put your little pointer on. Riders. Sophie, we found something. Okay, Riders, put your papers down real quick. Sophie and I found something. Sophie said here, I played and I went. Huh. Riders. Does that look like
Not right
went?
now.
Yeah. I went. Do you know how to spell went? Yeah, the vowel is an E, right? Sometimes you put an I when we're in a hurry. So writers, today and anytime you guys are writing, if you guys know it's a kindergarten, it's a rainbow word, can you guys write it in a snap? And can you spell it correctly? Thumbs up?
Yes, but
Okay,
I don't
I'm
know
gonna
how to
see.
spell
Oh, that's okay. Beach is beach in here?
No.
So you just try your best.
I know.
I wanna see. We're gonna